The fan has been fixed. Now we are welcome back to our channel. Today we have bought these fans. You can see these portable oscillating desk fan 9-inch from company Status, and this is the pedestal fan of 16-inch stand fan from Status. We are going to unbox it and review it today. This is the cover. This is the plastic fan. This is the manual of Status Oscillating Desk Fan. We'll update these pictures. Where we are going to unscrew this. Now we are going to place this like this, and then we are going to screw it again, so it should be attached with the pedestal. You can see now it is attached with the pedestal. You can see this fan just have a spring to fix. It will not move. We just have to push this fan onto this shaft like this. We are attaching the emblem to the front with the help of these nuts. Now with the help of this nut, we are going to fix this emblem to the front grill. We are going to attach this front grill with the back grill with the help of this screw. Okay, now this one. It's locked. Viewers, you can see this small nut which I am tightening up. This will hold the grill together.
Yes, because she'll help you speak.
Viewers, we have assembled the fan. Now we are going to connect it and check how it works. As you can see, this fan is working perfectly. You can see the speed. As a desk fan, it's fine, it's okay. Now I am going to unbox this Status 16-inch stand fan. This is the base. These are the grills. This is the fan. This is the stand. This is the motor. And this is also the part of the base. These are the 4 feet and the center part. This is the motor. This is the motor. Where you can see there is a lock inside. This is a small lock. We'll put this and then lock it. We'll press it like this and twist. Now it's locked. Now we are adding these feet one by one. Here all 4 feet have been installed. You can see now our base is ready. Now unscrew this and lift this up so that we can place the grill motor on top, and tighten this screw so that it should not move anymore. Now we are going to, before we place this motor on top, we will fix the grill and fan. This is the rear grill. I am going to place this up. See, there is a groove which is going to fix in this. Now with the help of this screw, we will tighten it up so that it should not move. Where the rear grill is now tightened and it's fixed to the motor. Now we are putting this status emblem at the front of the fan with the help of the screws. They have provided the screws. Now we are going to attach this. The emblem has been installed. You can see status. Now we are going to fix the fan. This is the screw on which we put it. And this is the fan has been fixed. Now we'll put the front grill. And put this small screw here and this nut. Yes, now we are going to clip this one. Now we are mounting the fan onto this, and there is a screw tightening this nut so it's fixed. See, this fan is running perfectly. Well, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and plus the bell button so you receive any future notifications.